Hi, hello friends and students and my viewers. Welcome to KVR High School Mathematics. How are you? Friends, మనం లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పుకున్నాం. లాగరిథమ్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ 10th క్లాస్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ టు 10th క్లాస్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ రియల్ నంబర్స్ 1.5 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.5. సో ఆ లాగరిథమ్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మనం కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఒక టూ వీడియోస్లో కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది మనకి. సో కాన్సెప్ట్. సో ఇన్ కేస్ మీకు కాన్సెప్ట్ కనుక మీకు అవసరం అనుకుంటే మీకు డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తాను నేను. ఆ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, సో వీడియో పార్ట్ 1 పార్ట్ 2గా డివైడ్ చేశాం సార్. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, టుడే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.5. మరి మన స్టూడెంట్స్ కొంతమంది ఆ లాగరిథమ్స్ సంబంధించి ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయమన్నారు. సో ఒకసారి ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కానీ కాన్సెప్ట్ అయితే కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఒకసారి కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాం అనేటువంటి ఉద్దేశంతో మరి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం అన్నమాట. సో ఈ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1.5లో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్ క్లోజ్ చేద్దామండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం సెకండ్ సెక్షన్, అట్లా మనం ఒకేసారి ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకోకుండా జస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్ కూడా క్లోజ్ చేసుకున్నామండి. ఓకే, సో రెడీనా? మరి ఆర్ యూ రెడీ? ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ మై వ్యూవర్స్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్, షేర్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ యువర్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్. మీకు ఎవరికైతే అవసరమో వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేయండి మ్యాక్సిమం. ఓకే, అలాగనే లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్. ఓకే, thank you so much. So first section 1, determine the value of the following. Okay, so values మనం find out చేయాలి. So first one, log 5 base 25. first question. Okay, roman number 1, log 5 base 25 value మనం find out చేసుకోవాలి. So how can you find that? Okay, so first one, log 5 base 25. Okay, first one solution. Log 5 base 25, that is given. Okay, given log 5 base 25, right? Okay, so this is ఈ వాల్యూ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఈ వాల్యూ మనం లెటర్స్ ఇష్యూమింగ్ సంథింగ్, మన లెటర్ ఏదో ఒక లెటర్ గా మీరు ఇష్యూమింగ్ తీసుకోండి. సో లెటర్ లాగ్ 5 బేస్ 25 ఈక్వల్స్ టు సపోజ్ ఎక్స్. ఈ వాల్యూ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో ఈ వాల్యూని మనం ఎక్స్ గా ఇష్యూమింగ్ తీసుకున్నాం. సో లెటర్స్ ఇష్యూమింగ్ ద గివెన్ వాల్యూ ఈస్ ఎక్స్. ఫైండ్ ద ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ. ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో this is logarithmic form. So first of all, express in exponential form. Exponential form lo express cheyadam. How can we express it? Okay, so therefore 25 power x. Okay, 25 power x equals to 5. Okay, so express in exponential form because the given form is logarithmic form. Logarithmic form ni exponential form lo express chesam. So 25 power x equals to 5. So both sides bases equal ayittu set cheskondi. 25 మనం ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే 25 can be expressed as 5 square. 5 5s are 25. So 25 can be expressed as 5 square. So 5 square whole to the power of x equals to 5. 25 మనం 5 square ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు. 5 square whole power x. So 5 power. So this is a power m whole power n form. Okay, so ఒకే బేస్ కి 2 పవర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 2 పవర్స్ ని మనం మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. సో 2 into x 2x. So 5 power 2x equals to 5. Okay, so here applied a power m whole power n form. A power m whole power n means A power of mn. Okay, so A power m whole to the power of n equals to A power m into n. Okay, so here, okay, so A power m whole power n is equal to A power of mn. Now write both sides bases equal here. So base is 5, base is 5. Both sides bases are equal. What about the powers? Powers also equal because bases between equality symbol. So bases మధ్యలో equality symbol ఉన్నప్పుడు powers ను కూడా మనం ఈక్వేట్ చేస్తాం. So in this case, if the bases are equal, then powers also equal. Powers also equal. So 2x equals to 1. Okay. So here since if A power m equals to A power n, okay, then m equals to n. M equals to n. If the bases are equal, so powers also equal. Okay. Therefore, x equals to 1 by 2 into 2 transpose to right side. Okay. Okay, into 2 transpose to right side by 2. So x value how much? 1 by 2. That is required value. Therefore, okay, log 5 base 25 equals to 1 by 2. That is the required value. Have you understood? Right? Okay, have you understood? Once observe here. Okay, so the given value, let us assuming x. Okay, let x equals to, okay, log 5 base 25. So this is logarithmic form. Expressed into first of all exponential form. 25 power x equals to 5. 25 means 5 square. 5 square whole power x equals to 5. So 2 powers. 2 powers means multiplication. 2 into x dx. 5 power 2x is equal to 5 power 1. So both sides bases are equal. So powers also equal. 2x equals to 1. X equals to 1 by 2. So that is required. X value is 1 by 2. Right? Okay. Next, second problem. Okay. Second problem. What is the second problem? Log 3 base 81. So second problem. Solution. Given log 3 base 81. Log 3 base 81. That is given. So let x equals to log 3 base 81. Let x equals to log 3 base 81. Okay. So that is x. So this is logarithmic form. So express in exponential form. So exponential form is 81 power x. 81 power x equals to 3. 81 power x equals to 3. Okay. So this is the exponential form. Okay. The given form is logarithmic form. So first of all express in exponential form. So 81 power x equals to 3. How can you write 81? Okay. So base of 3. 3 ని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు 81 ని? Okay, how can you write it? So here one subset 81 means that can be expressed as 3 power 4 whole power x equals to 3. 81 means 3 power 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into, okay, 81 divide with 3. 81 divide with 3. So 4 times. So 4 times means 3 power 4. Whole power x equals to 3. So 2 powers. So multiply the 2 powers. 3 power 4 into x. 4x equals to 3 power 1. 3 power 1. Here 2 powers. So 2 powers means multiplication. A power m whole power n formula. A power m whole power n means a to the power of mn. A to the power of mn. Okay. So 3 power 1. Both sides bases are equal. Both sides bases are equal. So powers also equal in this case. So right here, if a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. Okay, the bases are equal, so powers also equal in this case. So for x equals to 1, base equal, so powers also equal. For x equals to 1, then x is equal to, therefore x equals to 1 by 4 into 4 transpose to right side by 4, 1 by 4. So therefore log 3 base 81 equals to 1 by 4. That is the required value. So log 3 base 81 equals to 1 by 4. Okay, right? Okay, have you understood? Next, third problem. Third problem solution. Third problem solution. Okay. So what is given? Given log 1 by 16 base 2. Log 1 by 16 base 2. That is given. So that is okay. Third problem. Okay. So first of all, let us assuming x. Sum log 1 by 16 base 2 equals to x. Okay, so let us assuming first. Let us assuming log 1 by 16 base 2 equals to x. This is logarithmic form, so express in exponential form. So 2 power x equals to 1 by 16. 2 power x equals to 1 by 16, right? Okay, so 2 power x equals to 1 by 16 means 1 by 2 to the power of 4. 16 means, how can you write 16? 16 can be expressed as, okay, 2 to the power of 4 because 16 divided with 2. Okay, so it can be expressed as 2 power 4. Okay, suppose if you find 16, 2 8s are, next 2 4s are, 2 2s are, like this. Okay, factorization. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 power 4. Okay, so then 2 power x equals to 2 power minus 4. 2 power minus 4 because this is 1 by a power m. 1 by a power m means a power minus m. Okay, so since right here 1 by a to the power of m equals to a power minus m. A power minus m. Okay, a not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. Once observe here, మరి డినామినేటర్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఓకే ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ ని న్యూమరేటర్ షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తే పవర్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, పవర్ సింబల్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, జస్ట్ పవర్ సింబల్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. 2 power minus 4. Both sides bases equal. Both sides bases equal. So both sides bases equal. 2 power x equals to 2 power minus 4 means x equals to, therefore x equals to minus 4. Since what is the reason? If a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. That is the reason. Bases are equal, powers also equal. So x equals to minus 4. Okay. Therefore log 1 by 16 base 2 equals to minus 4. Log 1 by 16 base 4 equals to base 2 equals to minus 4. That is the required value. Right? Have you understood, friends and students? Okay, have you understood? Okay, that is third one solution. That is third one solution. Now fourth one. Next, fourth one. Okay. Next, fourth one. Fourth one solution. What is given? What is given? Log 1 base 7. Log 1 base 7. Already, okay, I told in the concept in the previous video, log 1 to the any base equals to 0. Answer directly here, take 0 because log 1 to the any base equals to 0. Okay, suppose మీరు ప్రూవ్ చేయాలనుకుంటే మీరు ప్రూవ్ చేయొచ్చు ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, ప్రాసెస్ సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్. ఓకే, let log 1 base 7 equals to x. Log 1 base 7 equals to x. Okay, common process. So this is the logarithmic form expressed in exponential form 7 power x equals to 1. 7 power x equals to 1. So ఇక్కడ 7 బేస్ గా ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు మనం? 1 can be expressed as 7 power 0. Okay, 1 ని మనం 7 power 0 ని ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు 7 power x equals to 7 power 0. Okay, 1 can be expressed as 7 power 0. Any finite power 0 equals to 1. Any finite power 0 equals to 1. 7 ఏ కాదు, ఇక్కడ ఈ బేస్ ఏదైనా ఉండొచ్చు. ఎనీ ఫైనైట్ నంబర్ పవర్ 0 వాల్యూ 1. ఓకే, సో 1 can be written as 7 power 0. Both sides bases equal. That means x equals to 0. X equals to 0. Okay, here base is equal. Okay, so if a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. Okay, so x equals to 0. X means log 1 to the base 7 equals to 0. Log 1 to the base 7 equals to 0. That is the required value. Okay, have you understood? ఇది మనకి బిట్స్ గా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ గా log 1 base 7 equals to 0. Okay, because log 1 to the any base equals to 0. Log 1 to the any base equals to 0. Right? Okay. Next, fifth one. Fifth one, log x base root x. Log root x base x. Log root x base x value how much? Log root x base x, right? Okay, that is given. So that is given, fifth one. That is given. So let log root x base x equals to suppose some p. Okay, so already అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కి మనం x తీసుకొని సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం, బట్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లం లో మనం p గా ఇష్యూని తీసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, సో p, సో x పవర్ p ఈక్వల్స్ టు రూట్ x. X power p equals to root x. Okay, so this is the exponential form. This is the logarithmic form. X power p equals to root x. So x to the power of p equals to x power of 1 by 2. Root x ni x power 1 by 2 అని ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు. X power 1 by 2 because this is the third form. So order is 2. Order is 2. So that means x power 1 by 2. ఇక్కడ ఆర్డర్ మనకి ఏమీ లేకపోతే 2 ఉన్నట్టు. Any order is not given. That means 2 is the order. Okay, x power 1 by 2. Both sides bases equal. Therefore, powers also equal. P equals to 1 by 2. Since right here, if a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. Okay, so bases equal, so powers also equal. P equals to 1 by 2. That is the required value. Therefore, log root x base x equals to 1 by 2. Log root x base x equals to 1 by 2. Have you understood? Okay. Next, log 512 base 2. Log given log 512 base 2, that is given. Okay, log 512 base 2. Okay, let x equals to log 512 base 2. X equals to log 512 base 2. So this is the logarithmic form expressed in 2 power x equals to 512. This is the exponential form. Okay. So then 2 power x equals to 512 ni 2 base ka ela express cheyochu. Okay. How can you write 512 2 as the base? 2 as the base. 2 base ka ela express cheyochu. 2 power 9. 2 power 9 express cheyochu. Suppose if you have doubt 512, okay, factorization only into 2 2s, 2 5s, 2 6s, next to 1s, 2 2s, 2 8s, again 2 table 2 6s, 2 4s, again 2 table 2 3s, 2 2s, again 2 table 2 16s, again 2 table 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. Totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it can be expressed as 2 power 9. Okay, 512 can be expressed as 2 power 9. Okay, 2 as the base. Power is 9. So both sides base is equal. Both sides base is equal. So powers also equal. Therefore, x equals to 9. Okay, since if a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. M equals to n. X equals to how much? 9. X value. Therefore, log 512 base 2 equals to 9. Log 512 base 2 equals to 9. That is the required value. Have you understood? Okay. Next, 7th one. Seventh one. Log 0.01. Log 0.01 base 10. That is 7th one. Okay. So 7th one is log 0.01 base 10. Right? 0.01. How can you express 0.01? Okay, as the power 10, as the base 10, base 10 ga మీరు 0.0 ఎలా express చేయొచ్చు? How can you write that? So that is given. So let log 0.01 base 10 equals to x. So 10 power x equals to 0.01. So 10 power x equals to, so this is logarithmic form, exponential form lo change chesam. 10 power x equals 0.01. So 0.01 means it can be expressed as 0.01 by 1. Okay, just write by 1. Point after how many decimals? 2 decimals. That means multiplying with 10 square. Point is eliminated. Okay, so point after 2 decimals multiplying with 10 square. Point after 100 decimals multiplying 10 power 100. 10 power 100. Point after 50 decimals multiplying 10 power 50. Okay, so 10 power x equals to here decimal point is eliminated, multiplying with 100. So only 1 by 1 into 10 square means 100. Okay, so 10 square means 100. 100 into 0.01. How can you get it? Okay, so 100 into 0.01 means only 1. Okay, point is eliminated. 1 into 10 square 100. So 1 into 10 square means 10 square. Just write 10 square. Just write 10 square. Okay, next 10 power x equals to 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 because okay, 10 square actually in denominator. This is 1 by a power m. 1 by a power m means it can be written as a power minus m. A power minus m. Okay, so since right here 1 by a power m equals to a power of minus m. Both sides bases equal. Therefore, powers also x equals to minus 2 since okay, since if a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. That is the reason. X value minus 2. Therefore, log 0.01 base 10 equals to minus 2. Right? Okay. So, first of all, write by 1, 0.01 by 1, point after 2 decimals, multiplying 10 power 2, 2 decimals power 2, 3 decimals power 3, 50 decimals power 50. Okay. So, point is eliminated in the numerator. Okay. 100 to multiply stay, mari point eliminate 1 by 1 into 10 square means 10 square. 10 square shift to the numerator, that means 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2, both sides bases equal, so powers also equal, x equals to minus 2. So therefore, log 0.01 base 10 equals to minus 2. Right? Have you understood? Right. Next, 8th problem. Next, 8th one. 8th one. Given log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. That is the, okay, 8th question. So, same way, let x equals to log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 by 3 whole to the power of x equals to 8 by 27. This is the logarithmic form. So, first of all, express in exponential form. So, logarithmic form ni exponential form loki, exponential form ni logarithmic form loki ela express cheyalno already manam previous videos lo concept lo already examples lo manam discuss చేసుకున్నాం. ఒక్కసారి కేస్ డౌట్ ఉంటే మీకు డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో పార్ట్ 1 పార్ట్ 2 వీడియోస్ ఉంటాయి, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. సో సింపుల్ గానే ఉంటుంది. సో బేస్ 2 by 3, 2 by 3 హోల్ పవర్ x ఈక్వల్స్ టు 8 by 27. సో 2 by 3 హోల్ పవర్ x ఈక్వల్స్ టు 8 ని మీరు ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు? యాజ్ ద బేస్ 2. ఓకే, 2 cube. It can be 2 cube by 27 can be expressed as 3 cube. 2 cube by 3 cube. Okay, so 2 by 3 whole power x equals to 2 by 3 whole cube. 2 by 3 whole cube, because numerator and denominator having the same powers, so it can be expressed as whole power 3. Whole power. Okay, 2 by 3 whole cube. Both sides bases are equal. 2 by 3 base. Here also 2 by 3 base. Bases are equal, so powers also equal. Okay, so if a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. Therefore, x equals to 3. X value powers equal, x equals to 3. Therefore, log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 equals to 3. Okay, so that is the required value. Have we understood? Next, okay, 9th problem, last problem in this section. So 9th problem, 2 power 2 plus log 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2. Okay, that is given. Okay, 9th one, 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Okay, so 2 power, okay, one subset here. 2 can be expressed as 2 into 1 plus log 3 base 2 right as is. Log 3 base 2 right as is, but 2 can be expressed as 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Okay, so that implies to 2 power 2 into 1 can be expressed as log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2. 1 can be expressed as log 2 base 2. Okay, because here base is 2. Here base second log base is 2. So same way here also write log base is 2. So 1, how can you write 1 as the base 2? So log 2 base 2. Okay, log కి మనం 2 బేస్ వచ్చేట్టుగా ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు, 1 ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు? 1 can be expressed as log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2. Okay, since here write since 1 equals to log 2 base 2, because log a base a equals to 1. Log a base a equals to 1. That is the formula. Log a base a equals to 1. Okay, so class log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2. So that implies to 2 power log 2 square base 2. Okay, into 2 m log a formula. M log a means log a power m. Log a power m here formula. Okay, so m into log a equals to log a to the power of m. Third formula, logarithmic third formula. Okay, so m into log a means log a to the power of m. Log a to the power of m. Okay, plus log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2. So that implies to, once observe the first formula of logarithm. So what is the first law? Log a. Okay, log a plus log x plus log y equals to log xy. Log x plus log y equals to log xy formula. Okay, so 2 power log xy means 2 square value 4. 4 into 3 base 2. Okay, log 2 square means 4. 4 into 3 base 2. Okay, so 2 power log 12 base 2. 12. 4 3s are 12 base 2. Log 12 base 2. Okay. So how can you find this value? So this value is unknown. Let x equals to 2 power log 12 base 2. Okay, so 2 power log 12 base 2. 2 power log 12 base 2. 2 power log 12 base 2. Okay. So 2 power log 12 base 2 means here log base and here exponential base are same. Okay. So here one formula, log a to the power of log x base a equals to x. This is the formula. Okay, since log x base a. Okay, log x base a. Here exponent base also a power log x base a. Okay, exponent base is a, logarithmic base also a. So here two bases are same. What is, okay, so what is the result? X is the result. Okay, so therefore 2 power log 12 base 2 equals how much? 12. Answer is 12. That is the required value. Okay, so once again here 2 can be expressed as 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Okay, so 1 also can be expressed as log 2 base 2. Why should you take log here? Because the second term is already log term. Second term is already log term. What is that log 3 base 2 is the log term. Okay, first term is not a log term. So first term convert into logarithmic form. So 2 means 2 can be expressed as 2 into 1. 1 means log 2 base 2 because here base is 2. That is the reason. So second term log is base 2. First term also can be expressed as log base 2. So how can you write that? Log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2. Okay, 2 power 2 into log 2 base 2. So this is third law of logarithm. M into log a. M into log a means log a power m. Okay, so ఈ log కు ముందున్న నంబరు ఓకే పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, పవర్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఓకే సో నెత్తి మీదకి వచ్చేస్తే log 2 స్క్వేర్ బేస్ 2 ఓకే log 2 స్క్వేర్ బేస్ 2 ప్లస్ log 3 బేస్ 2 యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. సో log a plus log b form, log a plus log b or log x plus log y form. Log x plus log y means log xy, x into y. So 4 into 3 12, log 12 base 2. Okay, here exponent base is 2, logarithmic base is 2. Exponent base is 2, logarithmic base is 2. So both are same. In this case answer is log value 12. So answer is 12. So what is the formula? According to a power log x base a equals to x. Okay, log base and exponent base are same. So take the answer log value. So that is x. That is the x. Okay, students and friends. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget. Okay, thank you for watching. We will meet again next class. So first section, exercise 1.5, first section completed. Next video, second section. Okay, thank you so much.